Danny at Straight Line Kia here. I want to show you this gorgeous 2020 Kia Soul. This is actually a pre-owned vehicle with only 500 kilometers on it. The previous owner has added the 3M protection on the vehicle, so he has maintained his vehicle very, very well. Right here, we got some nice 16-inch alloy wheels. If you're looking for a vehicle for versatility and just for very fuel efficiency and want to store some extra stuff in the vehicle, this is the one to go to. We are looking at the EX trim level right here. And then on the driver's seat, we got some nice features such as power windows, power door locks. We got also the lane keep assist and the blind spot indicator, as well as the auto on and off as well. On driver's seat, we got some, as you can see, the mileage is very, very low. On the driver's seat here, we got cruise control. We have the heated seats, heated steering wheel, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for your GPS and also your apps. It's Danny at Straight Line Kia. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you again.